so crazy. So today, guys, is going to be a very exciting day and a very exciting vlog, and I'm super hyped on today because we are going to be putting the brand new to me, drift missile to the true test, and we're going to be learning how to slide this thing. I have never ever drifted in my entire life, and yeah, I literally probably have done one donut in my entire life. I have no idea what I'm doing, so you guys are going to kind of like learn with me. I hope if there's anyone that hasn't drifted watching me, you feel a little bit more comfortable doing it. Hopefully we learn together and, you know, we nail this thing, start doing like tandems and, you know, just go out there and start doing some track events and some crazy stuff. So if you guys haven't watched the reveal of the 350Z, I just bought this drift ready 350Z. Has a wide angle kit, hydro. Yeah, I got my wheel's over here. Hey, you brought the whole shop.
Oh, yeah.
You brought the whole shop.
The canopy, the tools, everything.
That's lit.
It's so crazy. Comfortable. You know how to do donuts?
No.
No? Oh, you don't?
Not really.
Yeah, do donuts. Like what he's doing, try to do donuts.
Okay, like right here? Or?
Yeah. Avoid hitting shit. Oh, right here in the middle.
So just like swing it?
Yeah, or can you just kick it? Let's kick it.
Doing like full circles or
just tight, just whatever you were doing right now is perfect. Not too wide, not too tight. How much are
this
motherfucker. he just started too.
So like, should I be like at full lock?
So what you're gonna do is clutch kick it, and the moment you start, like you know the car is about to kick out, you let go of the steering wheel, and the wheels are gonna go the other way.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll tell you when to throw the wheel back, right?
Okay.
Ready? Clutch kick it. Now. That's all you gotta practice. That's all you gotta practice. That was actually really good.
Oh,
so
shit.
What you're gonna do is...
That was fun as fuck.
Yeah. So what you're gonna do is when you kick it out,
yeah,
don't give it too much gas, but do what you're doing right now perfect, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The moment I say back, you're gonna let go of the steering wheel, but then you're gonna like feather the throttle. Don't mat it, and then don't completely let go. Okay. So you're gonna like go like this. because you want to keep the initial wheel speed going, so you continue to do the donut.
Okay.
See what I mean? Because if you let go, you're gonna straighten out.
Oh, okay.
And then
so when you let off throttles, when you straighten out, that's what happens when you let off.
Yeah, when you straighten out is because you let off the throttle.
Okay. I'll do it again. So I just be clutch kicking it, like nothing?
Yeah, just you can clutch kick. You don't need to use that right now.
Okay, okay.
Turn into the wheel, like the direction, and then you're gonna give it gas.
Yeah, yeah.
As soon as you feel the car starting to lose traction, that's when you throw it back and you let go. But you gotta keep like going, vroom, vroom, vroom. Don't go. It's too much. That's too much gas.
Okay, okay.
Feather it.
Okay.
You know? Yeah.
You only give it a lot of gas to start it?
Yes, to kick it out. Yeah.
Okay. Too much gas?
Yeah, you gotta give it less throttle. Less
throttle?
A little less throttle.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Even when you kick out. Alright, ready?
Okay.
Go. There you go, there you go. The fucking footwork is good, like the pedal, the throttle is good, but now you gotta focus on your hands. So what you're gonna do is, like I said, you're gonna go like this, give it gas, feather, and as soon as you feel like the car's starting to like kick out, that's when you throw it back, and then you gotta keep like you're doing throttle control, vroom vroom, but you gotta focus on steering the car too. So you gotta go, into it, kick out, throw the wheel, and then obviously the tires are like this, right? When you're doing a counterclockwise donut. So when your tires are like this, you still have to like maneuver the car, steer. So what you want to do is the moment you start like giving it too much throttle, you feel like it's kind of wide, you turn a little bit like this. You feel like you're about to straighten out, go like this. But you got to be a little snappy. It's easier when you're snappy at first. Okay. Then that, the smoothness comes natural. Okay. Yeah, so you got to make sure you try to like keep the car from correcting, Okay. There you go, that's perfect. That was perfect. Now, when you let go of the steering wheel, you're about to straighten out. So I would catch the steering wheel and turn it again. You know what I mean? So you don't let it fully come out? No, okay. Just however you need to. But like I said, as soon as you're about to straighten out, you gotta fucking turn into it. Keep turning. Okay. Ready? Go. Out. Now you gotta practice on the movement on the steering wheel, Okay. So the throttle is good. Now you gotta collab both of them, the throttle and the steering movement. Okay. Okay. That's all you gotta do. You're doing good, by the way. So just practice on what you're doing right now. Okay. Just try to avoid, spinning out and avoid fucking. What do you call it? Spinning out and getting control or traction. I can't even talk right now. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Practice those donuts. Once you got it good, once you feel like you're good enough to do donuts for like fucking a minute straight without spinning out, try the other way. Okay. When you do the other way, now try to do figure eights. You go this way and then you kick it out and then go the other way, Okay, good. And once you get those down, you can go wider, and once you go wider, then you're pretty much like, you learn how to drift. Good looking dog. So, yeah, you're doing fucking good, bro.
So we just learned how to do some donuts. Still need some work. So new to this. Like I said, I've never done this before, so it's a lot of fun. I feel like the setup makes it a lot easier too, but hopefully the content's pretty good as well. They say once I get the donuts down, to do the figure eights and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so right now I'm a little shaky because I've never slid in my life, so I got the adrenaline going. So it's a lot of fun.
saw you safe from crashing. Yeah, I know. I kind of picked her up.
Yeah.
Just from all experience. It's just literally adjustments. That's all you gotta do.
Was that okay?
No, it was a lot better than the first time, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, don't worry, he'll go around here.
Okay, okay.
Well, yeah, once you start understeering, that's it, no gas.
Yeah,
Then you're gonna hit it.
yeah.
No, that's good. That's a good start. Already? Go. You killed it, bro. Jeez. You know how wide you were going?
No.
You were going close to the watts over here. Jeez. That's really good. That's what's up.
Yeah, we hot.
Dude, yeah, do a cooldown lap if you need to.
Yeah, we hot.
Oh shit, yeah, go for it. Go drive in and out down the street if you want.
I should go down?
Yeah, go down the street.
So we came out to get some ice cream, and we came with all the cars that were there at the previous drift spot. I'm gonna go walk around all the cars so you guys can check them out. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. It was super fun going out drifting with all the homies and stuff, and Shout out to Gil for teaching me how to drift. I really appreciate that. He didn't have to do that at all. I took time out of his, his time to practice drifting, and he helped me out. So make sure you guys give him a follow for that. I really appreciate that, bro. Good looking. But now it's just time to hang out with the family, enjoy the rest of my Sunday. My room's a mess, and I work pretty much every day, and when I'm not working, I'm trying to make videos or doing a side job or something like that. So, I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday, probably clean up my room, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of lit content coming out, and trust me, you guys have no idea what I'm about to do with this car, and it's more than just drift. Hopefully it's something that you've probably never seen on the street before, but yeah, make sure you stay tuned in for that, and see you guys next time.